Yeah, I'm sure they're sick of looking at my glute anyway, aren't they?
Tell us what we did a couple of weeks ago, mate, and give us a little spiel of what.
Here's a little spiel. We shot a calendar, so our second edition. So if you were around last year to our YouTube channel, you would have seen our first edition, 2024. But we've done 2025 pecs on the beach. Ooh. So in the fresh, crisp knobbies that we've got on here. So if you're looking for some last-minute Christmas ideas, there it is. MMT pecs on the beach.
Hey guys, Darcy and Jace here. We've got the phenomenal glute of Jason, and that's what we're going to be focusing on today, is non-specific back pain and how your glutes may be impacting your hips feeling tight and your lower back being compromised. Also might be getting recurring hamstring strains, but yeah, we're going to focus on the glutes. So pisiform connected on top of the sacrum to begin with, just as a bit of a opening stroke to let Jason have a little bit of a feel of what this treatment's going to be like. It's going to be firm, it's going to be connected, and we're going to be working pretty slow and allowing him to just feel the pressure without it being too invasive or too much to handle. We're not going in too fast or too firm straight away, just sinking in and getting connected straight on that pisiform, straight on that sacrum with my pisiform. So pushing down and clearing some of those adhesions and build up points that get sticky to the sacral nerves and working through that ilium.
Oh, feels good.
Feels good?
Yeah.
So we've done some heavy lifts Monday, so our glutes have been put under a lot of force or a lot of stress to, I guess, lift us back up under the bar if we're doing squats, or lifting the bar if we're doing deadlifts. Not much glutes involved in our bench press or our pull-ups. But
bit of hammy for you, though.
Bit of hammy for me. Yeah, my hammies always seem to go. We're doing a sped-up version, so I'm going to use my elbow now and sink into a similar spot, Leo. So, like, right on that sacrum. Ooh. Sometimes just putting pressure on that there can actually make this whole lumbar region, this fascial connection area that we have as well, feel a lot more supple and soft. So just showing you a different way of treating this area without actually treating the lower back. Say we've treated the lower back Monday, and you've come back and you've treated again on the next Monday, and it's not really getting the results you're after. We'd always have a look at treating the sacrum and treating the glutes and offloading what may be really tight and inhibiting some of Jason's freedom of movement or freedom of range.
Oh, yeah, definitely around the top side of that glute.
Oh. So the elbow's good because it's more broad and I can apply pressure over a larger surface area. Oh, it's hot today in Melbourne. Don't need much wax.
Das.
Don't need much wax.
Oh, jeez, you ramped her up already.
Ramping it up.
Oh.
Yeah.
Try and relax. There we go. Let it go.
See if there's a little bit of twitching, a little bit of spasming going on. But yeah, we don't need much wax for Jason's dolphin skin. It's just all...
Glistening, is it?
Glistening.
Can you see my tan?
I can see myself.
Can you see my tan lines from my back to my glute?
Yeah.
There's a little change of colour there.
Yeah, hardly.
Damn it. I've been working hard on that.
Yeah. Poor old Jace just doesn't
light skin.
Yeah, doesn't go brown. Ninja's good. He eats enough coconut oil. I reckon that's his secret.
You reckon that's what I need?
I reckon that's, just, you got to eat it.
Just start eating some of the wax.
Yeah, just start eating the wax.
Bit of beeswax, probably good for you too.
Cool. So, and then glute med is usually the main contributor. So, a little bit more out here, Leo, and I go with my right elbow, and this one can cause associated pain or referral pain up into the back or down into the hamstring. So a really good way to just get some freedom of range into this area, allowing that hip to extend and flex. We know that our glutes are our main extensors of the hip, but they also want to be like our stabilizers of the pelvis. So if they're underactive, which we know they're not in Jason because you can see how bulky and how much muscle tone he has, but if you've got underactive flat glutes, you're probably relying a lot on your lower back. So we probably don't need to treat those underactive glutes that are long and taut and weak. We probably want to train them and strengthen them with some some load, some easy resistance band stuff, or single leg lunges or squats and things like that that you can do from home. But Jace, his glutes are on, they're strong, and they need some release work to alleviate some of the pressure and build up around his pelvis. And I'm just like going slow and angling in, and then finding a nice little trigger point in there that I feel like is relevant to maybe his tightness that he might be feeling in this area. So pin that, and you can change pressure.
Geez, ramped her up.
Ramped it up.
Oh, good. Just what I needed.
Just what he needed. Jace likes a little bit harder.
Harder in the glute.
Harder in the glute.
Oh, love a deep treatment.
Yeah.
Oh.
So, Jace, we did something pretty cool a couple of weeks ago. We won't bore them with just this entire video treating your
I'm
bum.
sure they're sick of looking at my glute anyway, aren't they?
Tell us what we did a couple of weeks ago, mate, and give us a little spiel of what.
Here's a little spiel. We shot a calendar, so our second edition. So if you were around last year to our YouTube channel, you would have seen our first edition, 2024. But we've done 2025 pecs on the beach. Ooh. So in the fresh, crisp knobbies that we've got on here. So yeah, we're offering this again. So. $29.95 for a copy of the calendar, and you go in the running to win. If you're a local, you can win a year's worth of treatment, free lift club and sprint club for the whole year. So that's our gym classes and our sprinting class that we offer, and then also free infrared sauna use for the whole year as well. So it's a pretty good first prize, but there's not just one prize. We have 10 prizes on offer. So last year we just had one big prize. This year we've got 10 prizes. So it goes down to 10th or 5th to 10th is just one free treatment. But if you get a free treatment for $29.95, that's a pretty bloody good deal. So.
Like, why wouldn't you want to get a treatment from us? Look
that's
at this.
Right. That's right. You can get Darcy to work on your glutes, or if you've got any other pain. But yeah, if you're overseas or interstate as well, you can also win 12 online consults and access to our health and fitness courses. So fundamentals of fitness, the advanced fitness course, fix it yourself. Yep. So yeah, you can still get help from us online. So yeah, it's a pretty good offer. And but yeah, we're just wrapped. You can also have a copy of the calendar and look at us all year round. So if you're looking for some last minute Christmas ideas, there it is. MMT pecs on the beach. Yeah, there's some
really good quality photos in there. Maybe we'll reveal one.
Or maybe one of Ninj.
Yeah, show him.
Yeah, let's show him Ninj. Here he is.
Yeah, Ninj.
His best work in June.
He worked 12 months on that body.
Look at those abs. Look at the tan on him. Yeah. And then we'll try and find one of Darcy, just try and hide.
The group one, maybe.
Group one? All right, one group one. Here we go. Oh, in the glistening sun. Look at me tan there.
He's looking tan.
Good camera angles. So there it is, guys. MMT 2025 calendar. You can buy it online, or if you come into the clinic to get a treatment, you can purchase it. So the competition will be running until end of Jan. So yeah, jump online, you could be the chance to win.
Yeah, and that's AUD, guys, so it's cheaper for those in Europe or America or other parts of the world.
That's a bloody good deal,
isn't it? That's a good deal, man. The quality of the photos and the time and energy and effort we put into our bodies and into those smiles and holding those stances.
The amount of stress on my face to try and tense my body and stay relaxed.
Almost bust a pooper valve, I reckon.
I reckon that's why my glutes are looking pretty good at the moment.
Just tensing them up.
Everything's getting tensed.
Anyway, guys, the link to buy that will be in the bottom here of this video, in the description. But yeah, if you've got non-specific lower back pain, get somebody to treat your glutes. Focus on the glute med in particular. If you feel like you've got no ass and you're one of those guys that's a bit shifted forward and it's really flat, maybe start to do some load through there, get into the gym, start with some resistance training. But otherwise, guys, if you like these videos, make sure you do like, subscribe, and share. And have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We'll see you soon.
See you in 2025.
See you guys.
Thanks, guys.